Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find someone on Telegram without username and phone number. First of all you have to do is open your Telegram app on your phone. From here, you have to click on the search bar on the top right corner. Now, from here, you have to type in user info bot. Click on it and you'll see this profile icon. Click on it and you have to start this bot. Click on start. Now it is asking me to pass the test. Now what you have to do is go back and then you have to search for the person that you want to get the ID of. For example, this is the person. If I want his ID, what I will do, I will long press one of his messages and forward his message to the user info bot that I have just added. I will send in him the information. I will click on send. As you can see, I've got the ID, the first name, the last seed, nickname, everything else. And I can use this ID to find that person on Telegram without username and phone number. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.